Reset password on Instagram. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to reset your password. Want to change it? Not sure how? In this video, I'll show you the whole process on your phone. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, everyone. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So let's get started, everyone. First step, click up here on these three lines. Here you'll click on Account Center. In Account Center, you'll click down here on Password and Security. Then click on the first option, Change Password. Choose the Instagram account you want to reset the password for. Now, you need to enter your current password in this field. Below that, enter the new password. Remember, the password needs at least 6 characters and you need to include special characters. So it shows some examples here. Exclamation point, $, at symbol, and %. You can use these special characters. Enter your new password in this field and confirm it below. You can disconnect other devices logged in with the old password if you want by checking this box. Then just click down here to change the password. Did you get it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's it from me. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.